of water and optimal temperatures, your strawberries will thrive and reward you with a bountiful harvest.
After weeks of anticipation, it's finally harvest time. Strawberries are typically ready to pick about 4 weeks after flowering. Look for strawberries that are fully red with no white or green shoulders. Ripe strawberries will be firm to the touch and have a sweet aroma. Gently pluck the berries from the plant, leaving the green calyx attached. This helps the strawberries last longer. Don't let your ripe strawberries sit on the plant too long. They can become overripe and mushy. Freshly picked strawberries are a true delight. Enjoy them straight from the plant or use them to make delicious jams, pies, and other treats.
Section 5. From Field to Factory. The journey begins at the Mega Jam Factory. Imagine a place where millions of juicy, sun-ripened strawberries arrive daily. Welcome to the Mega Jam Factory. From the moment those bright red trucks roll in, the air is thick with sweetness. The first stop for our little red friends is a giant cleaning station. Here, they take a quick dip in cool water to wash away any dirt or debris. Next, those sparkling clean berries zoom along conveyor belts where keen-eyed workers remove any that aren't perfect for jam making. It's all about using the best of the best. Now let's head inside and see the magic happen.
Section 6. The magic of transformation ingredients and the jam-making process. Inside the factory, massive stainless steel kettles gleam under the bright lights. It's here that the transformation from juicy berry to delicious jam begins. Tons of fresh sorted strawberries meet their fate, a date with a giant chopper. It whizzes and whirls, creating a vibrant red, slightly chunky strawberry sea. Next comes the sugar. It's carefully measured and added to the mix, ensuring the perfect balance of sweetness. A dash of lemon juice is stirred in, adding a touch of tanginess and helping to preserve that vibrant red color. The giant kettles begin to heat up, and the magical transformation begins. It's like alchemy, but instead of turning lead into gold, we're turning fruit into pure deliciousness.
Section 7. Jars of sunshine preservation and storage of strawberry jam. In this section, we delve into the meticulous process that ensures every jar of strawberry jam retains its delightful flavor and freshness. While the jam simmers to perfection, a separate production line is busy prepping the jars. This preparation is crucial to maintain the quality and safety of the jam. Thousands of sparkling clean glass jars whiz by, ready to be filled with that ruby red goodness. Each jar is meticulously inspected to ensure it meets the highest standards of cleanliness and durability. Once the jam reaches the perfect consistency, it's poured, still piping hot, into the waiting jars. This step is done with precision to ensure that each jar is filled to the right level, avoiding any spillage or air pockets. Each jar is then sealed tight with a lid, ensuring its freshness. The sealing process is swift and efficient, locking in the jam's flavor and preventing any contamination. But the journey's not over yet. These jars still have a few more steps to go before they are ready for storage. The filled jars take a quick trip through a giant steamer, where a burst of heat ensures a good seal and eliminates any unwanted bacteria. This heat treatment is essential for extending the shelf life of the jam. This crucial step preserves the jam, allowing us to enjoy its sweet taste long after strawberry season has passed. The heat treatment not only seals the jars, but also enhances the jam's flavor over time. Those jars are like little treasure chests, holding the taste of summer inside. Each jar is a testament to the careful preservation process, ensuring that the vibrant taste of strawberries can be enjoyed year-round. Section 8. Spreading the sweetness, packaging and distribution of the final product. Now that our jam is safely tucked away in its jars, it's time to get it ready for the world. This is where the magic of distribution begins, ensuring that our delicious creation reaches every corner of the globe. The jars cool down, and as they do, you can hear a satisfying pop as the lids seal tight. This sound is a promise of freshness, a guarantee that the jam inside is perfectly preserved. Each jar is then adorned with a label, showcasing the brand and that all-important strawberry jam declaration. These labels are more than just decoration. They tell the story of the jam, from the fields where the strawberries were picked to the moment it lands on your table. Finally, they're packed carefully into boxes, ready to begin their journey to supermarket shelves, breakfast tables, and eager toast lovers everywhere. Each box is handled with care, ensuring that every jar arrives in perfect condition. From giant trucks to cargo ships and even airplanes, these jars of sunshine are off on an adventure. They travel across cities, countries, and continents, bringing a taste of summer to people far and wide. It's amazing to think that something so simple starts with a tiny seed and ends up bringing joy to people all around the world. Each jar is a testament to the hard work and dedication of everyone involved in the process, from the farmers to the factory workers to the delivery drivers. Together, they ensure that this sweet treat can be enjoyed by families everywhere. Section 9, a symphony of flavors, quality control and taste testing. Before any jar of jam leaves the factory, it undergoes rigorous and meticulous quality control checks. Experts inspect each batch, ensuring the color, texture, and most importantly, the taste meet the highest standards of excellence. It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it, right? Imagine being a professional jam taster. What a unique job. These lucky individuals have the task of sampling the finished product, ensuring every batch is bursting with that perfect balance of sweet, tart, and fruity goodness. Only the most delicious and perfectly crafted jars of strawberry jam earn the right to bear the company's prestigious label. Section 10, Strawberry Fields Forever, Sustainable Practices and the Future of Jam. In this chapter, we delve into the fascinating world of strawberry cultivation and jam production, exploring how sustainability is shaping the future of this beloved treat. As technology advances, so too do the methods used in both strawberry cultivation and jam production. Cutting-edge techniques are being employed to ensure that strawberries are grown more efficiently and with less environmental impact. From precision farming to automated harvesting, technology is revolutionizing the way we produce strawberries. Many mega factories are adopting sustainable practices, focusing on reducing waste and minimizing their environmental impact. These factories are not just about mass production, they are about smart production. By integrating eco-friendly practices, they are setting new standards in the industry. From using renewable energy sources to implementing water-saving irrigation techniques, these factories are committed to producing delicious jam while protecting our planet. Solar panels, wind turbines, and rainwater harvesting systems are just a few examples of how these factories are reducing their carbon footprint and conserving resources. The future of jam is looking bright, with continuous innovation and a strong commitment to sustainability. The jam industry is poised for a promising future. New flavors, healthier options, and eco-friendly packaging are just some of the exciting developments on the horizon. With a focus on innovation and sustainability, we can look forward to enjoying this beloved treat for generations to come. The industry is not just thinking about today, but is also planning for a sustainable tomorrow, ensuring that future generations can enjoy the same delicious jams we do. So next time you spread that spoonful of strawberry jam on your toast, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took from farm to factory to your table. Each jar of jam represents a blend of tradition and modernity, a commitment to quality and a dedication to sustainability. It's a testament to the hard work of countless individuals and a delicious reminder of the simple pleasures in life. From the farmers who cultivate the strawberries to the workers in the factories who ensure each jar is perfect. Every step in the process is a labor of love and a nod to the importance of sustainable practices in preserving our planet.